Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for February 23rd through March 7th. For February 23rd to the 27th, this is what we're expecting the pattern to look like. We have a ridge here near the Aleutians, trough here in the west that will continue to be reinforced by energy riding over this ridge into this trough. And we also have a ridge over the Caribbean with above normal heights and a southwest flow in the east. I want to talk now about another system forecast for the east. And we're going to go here to Thursday. This is the experimental GFS. This is Thursday night. System down here. Then we go to 10 a.m. Friday. 7 p.m. Friday. And then we go to 7 a.m. Saturday. Here's the main low starting to wrap up here in the Central Plains, spreading precipitation to the north. And then we go to 4 p.m. Saturday. Now we have rain. Looks like here's where the 540 line is across southern and northern New England. And we have ice moving in here. And then we have rain. It looks like wet. Basically all wet situation here in the eastern U.S. We're looking at now the European. We're going to go a little further with this. This is 7 a.m. Saturday. 7 p.m. Saturday. We have moisture moving into the mid-Atlantic and northeast. This looks like to be rain, where the rain and snow line is a little bit further south compared to the experimental GFS. And this looks to be rain and some of the heavy rain down here. And then we go to 1 a.m. Sunday, and you can see it's all rain, where the rain snow line or the frozen line here is into northern New England. And then we look at the operational GFS. We're at 1 p.m. Sunday. And now this rain snow line is even further to the north. This is, oh wait, I jumped ahead a little bit. All right, 7 a.m. Saturday. 1 p.m. Saturday. 7 p.m. Saturday. The rain snow line is across northern New England. And then we go to 1 p.m. Sunday. It's rain, because we're going to have a large surge here, a warm air into ahead of this front, extended from this deep low, and that moves across the Great Lakes. And this will bring a surge of 60s and 70s across parts of the Mid-Atlantic, southeast. Further south, we're expecting heavy rain and storms in the warm sector. And across this area here, with the storm, we might have heavy snow with gusty winds creating blizzard conditions. Okay, February 26th to March 2nd. Here at 26th, we have a highly amplified ridge over Alaska and a trough from Hudson Bay here, extending into the west. And we have a ridge here over the Caribbean with the west-southwest flow above normal heights in the east. Models of good agreement. We'll skim through the models really quickly. You can see they're basically the same. Pretty good agreement. So for this forecast period, forecasting below normal temperatures here, and forecast anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees possible. And then we have above normal. Above normal temperatures are forecast here, and a forecast anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here, and for this region, probability of occurrence is 45%, and then I have below normal precipitation for the four corners into this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 55%. Now I'm going to look at the period for March 3rd to the 7th. And what we have here is a ridge remains over Alaska. And we have east progression of the anomalous trough across the east central U.S. And we'll have a low altitude flow of Pacific flow into the west. So the model's a good agreement. You can see right here, we just go through the models. So for this forecast period, forecasting below normal temperatures for much of this area here, and anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees or more are possible. And I have above normal precipitation, above normal temperatures for California, the Four Corners, and the forecast anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal or forecast. And for precipitation, above normal precipitation forecast here, and for this region, probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%, and then I have below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for February 23rd through March 7th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.